Every government should be able to understand how to implement proper public finance management. But in addition to that, we need to engage with the international capital markets as well and advocate for Africa. For instance, I saw recently that the CEO of Standard Bank was saying that South Africa's rating doesn't reflect its credit fundamentals. And this is true of many countries throughout the continent. And I think as an institution, this is what we are supposed to be doing, working with commercial banks, working with the African Union.
The African Development Bank Group is gearing up to elect new leadership next week. South Africa has endorsed Tshabalala, who once served as the bank's vice president. SABC News asked her about the current global challenges after US President Donald Trump imposed sweeping tariffs on a number of countries, albeit with a 90-day pause.
I think we can either look at this as a huge problem for Africa and allow it to paralyze us, or as an opportunity. Because I think that if we continue as a continent to look at our challenges strictly and only in the context of what other people, the decisions that they are making, I think that is problematic. We need to start setting our own agenda, driving our own agenda collectively, because I think we can be extremely effective in that way.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has given Tshabalala the thumbs up to lead the continental institution.
Ms. Tshabalala is a leader of exceptional caliber, a visionary whose life's work has been dedicated to the advancement of our beloved continent. With over 3 decades of experience in the financial, logistics, and infrastructure sectors, she has consistently demonstrated her expertise, her leadership, and unwavering commitment to Africa's development. Her tenure as Senior Vice President of the African Development Bank has been marked by transformative initiatives that have uplifted communities, empowered women, and also drove sustainable economic growth across the continent. As a nation, South Africa is proud to put forward a candidate who embodies the values of integrity, excellence, and service. Ms. Tshabalala's leadership is not just about managing resources. It is also about transforming lives.
He says the FDB is a key institution.
She understands that the African Development Bank is more than a financial institution. It is a vehicle for hope. It is a catalyst for change and a partner in progress for every African nation. In all leadership positions that she has held, Ms. Tshabalala has demonstrated the resilience and the determination of Africa's women. As our continent enters a new era of growth and progress, the African Development Bank needs a leader like Bajabulile Swazi Tshabalala. And that is why we are endorsing her.
The outgoing AFDB President Adesina recently visited Lesotho, where they're helping the Mountain Kingdom and many other countries to drive development.
Up to now, we've done 87 projects, a total of $429 million during that period. Currently we have portfolio that we have 8 projects that are to the extent of $60 million. And we briefed His Majesty about our work for the country strategy paper going forward from 2025 to 2030. Our plan to invest here about $331 million.
Khayelihle Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.